Just write up everything you know about muscle contraction.
Okay.
Everything you could possibly remember.
Okay, this is about it.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I can work with that. All right. So myosin and actin.
Mm-hmm.
You remember what myosin and actin are?
They're like the things that are sent to the muscle, right?
No.
Okay.
But those are two great words.
Well, they like make the muscle contract. One pulls
Okay.
it together and.
Here, I'm going to draw a picture.
Okay.
I'm going to want you to label the parts, and I'll tell you what you need to label. Okay.
Okay. Oh, you want me to?
Mm-hmm. I drew what needs a label. Can you label any?
No. No.
I know you can't because you wrote to the words now.
Okay, okay. Myosin,
Mm.
actin.
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
Because this myosin grabs onto the actin and pulls with the myosin heads. What allows that myosin to grab onto the actin?
Okay, wait. This is the myosin. This is actin.
The myosin.
This is myosin.
Yes.
And these are actin.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. What has to be released to allow that to happen? What takes off the covering on the actin to allow the myosin heads to grab on?
Calcium. Oh, I
Mhm.
knew that. Okay.
You did know it.
Okay.
What carries the calcium?
The thing that starts with A.
Doesn't start with A. So it's a modified organelle that you've already learned.
Muscle. No, I don't know. Okay, and that's in the. Is that in the cell?
Yeah, so this is inside. It's covering this myofibril, which myofibril, here's a muscle cell.
Okay.
Myofibril is a tube inside the tube of a muscle cell.
Can I label this?
Yeah, you label this
This is.
Mm-mm.
No.
It's this whole tube.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this myofibril thing you're talking about?
This whole tube.
Oh, this whole tube?
Yeah.
Okay. Myofibril what cell? So.
Muscle cell is it's a bunch of these tubes. So this is a muscle cell.
Okay.
Does that make sense? So a
And
bunch
then-
of myofibrils make up a muscle cell.
Okay.
Okay, so calcium's in the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which wraps around the myofibril. the space between the two Z lines called sarcomere.
So, like here?
That's just a space, yeah. So calcium's released into the sarcomere.
Okay.
Into that space. This is a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine,
Okay.
which tells the SR, or sarcoplasmic reticulum, to release calcium. And it's signaled by a motor neuron. At the end of the motor neuron, that acetylcholine is released, which signals the sarcoplasmic reticulum to release calcium, which then allows the shield or covering on the actin to be removed, which allows the myosin heads to grab on and to pull it closer together, contracting the muscle.
Which one allows the cover to be removed?
Calcium.
Calcium, okay.
Which then allows the myosin heads to grab onto the actin and pull it closer together.
Okay, so the motor neuron
Mm-hmm.
sends out acetylcholine,
Yep.
and that goes here
Yep.
into the sarcoplasmic reticulum.
Yep.
And tells the calcium, or the
Right. It's storing the calcium, so it's telling it to release the calcium.
This stores the calcium?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then the calcium removes the cover of what?
Of the actin.
Okay. And then the acetylcholine goes over here? Is that what's, this not, is that?
No. So these dots are calcium.
Oh, those are calcium, okay.
Yeah, so this is calcium in here. This is acetylcholine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the calcium comes over here?
Yep.
And it removes the cover of the actin, and the actin, the myosin grabs the actin.
Yep. Grabs on the actin and pulls it, kind of like this.
Okay.
So it pulls it closer together. It pulls these two Z lines closer together. So there's one final step. To relax the muscle, you need to get the calcium back here. You're going from low to a high amount of calcium. What's needed?
Active transport?
Bingo. So you have to use energy to relax the muscle because you have to actively transport the calcium back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum.
Can I take a picture of this?
Yes.
Okay, why does the cover need to be removed from the actin?
Because the myosin heads can't grab onto it if it's not removed. It's the way your body prevents your muscles from constantly being contracted. Because when you die, there's nothing that prevents the calcium from, or brings the calcium back. And so you get into a state called rigor mortis, which means all your muscles are contracted, like the person's stiff. And so if you did not have a way to protect your actin or keep your actin from the myosin, then you would constantly be contracting all the muscles in your body. You'd just be stiff.
Okay.
So it's a way of controlling when you want to contract the muscles, when you want the myosin heads to grab onto the actin.
Okay. Got it. All right. I might remember
Okay.
that.
Don't worry, we'll go over it again before the test. We will go over this lots of times. Lots and lots of times. Okay, so you got all
Wait,
of
what's
it?
that round thing right there?
This was
Yeah.
me showing you that.
Okay.
Got all
I-
this?
Yeah, I have it.